Hello students, come to your English book, English page number 71, lesson number 7, a letter from a cat. In previous link we have completed warm-up exercise. Now come to the lesson, let's start. Students आपको read करना है, okay? Read. My dear Kate. Now cat, she is writing the letter to whom? Kate को लिख रही है letter. My dear Kate. I felt very lonely and unhappy after you left yesterday. I went into the barn to take a nap on the hay and thought that sleeping is the best thing for people to do when they are unhappy. Now what Cat is saying कि आप जब छोड़कर गए थे, when Kate had left the home, she is feeling very unhappy. Where she went into the barn. What is barn? It is a large farm building for storing grain or keeping animals. So she went to the barn for taking a nap. एक छोटी सी नींद लेने के लिए कैट कहाँ गई थी? बैन में गई थी. What she thought that when people are feeling unhappy, they go and sleep. So उसने भी सोने का डिसाइड किया था. She had decided to take a nap. But I was unable to sleep. So I went into the garden. It was a hot sunny day and I wished I could have a ice cream cone. Now what she is saying? That I didn't feel sleepy. That's why she went to the garden. She went out in the garden. How was the day? It was a sunny day. And what she was thinking? कि yes, मेरे पास तो ice cream cone होनी चाहिए थी. मतलब चूहा. But instead, I laid down under the rose bush and caught flies. I like catching flies in the morning time. But वो rat के पीछे भागी क्या? No. What she decided? To just lay down and caught flies. It means flies को पकड़ने के लिए try कर रही थी. She was catching flies. And what she is saying? I like catching flies in the morning. There is great difference between my catching flies and you doing it. I have noticed that you never eat flies. I have wondered how you were so kind to me. But you were so cruel and killed the poor. So, what the cat is saying? That I was very in a big question mark. She was very in a big question mark कि तुम क्यों नहीं कैट फ्लाइज पकड़ते हो? What do you eat? But what she thought at the same time? That you are very crucial also and kill the poor. Students, turn your page. Let's see what we have on the next. Come to page number 72. So what she is saying, now Kate, at the time you are very kind to me and at the same time very crucial also. Why? For killing the flies for nothing. Kate क्या करता था? Flies को मार देता था. That's why she was saying you are very crucial. आप बहुत बुरे हो ऐसे. Oh dear, how I have often wished to speak to you about it. Now that your mother has taught me to write, I will be able to talk to you about the things that make me unhappy. So, what the cat is saying? Yes, अभी आपकी मामा ने मुझे लिखना सिखा दिया. What she thought? She taught me to write, and that's why she can write down the letter to Kate. And what she is saying? Now I can explain you how I feel unhappy. When you are at home, although I cannot talk to you, I understand every word you say to me, and we had such good plays together with the red wool ball. What the cat is saying? When you are at home, who is at home? Kate. When Kate is at home, she can understand each and every word. जो भी Kate बोलता था, cat को सब समझ आता था, है कि नहीं? And she was very enjoying playing with the red wool ball. One day, when you were not around, I managed to get twinned up in the wool and felt like a mitten. So, what she is saying now? One day, when you were not at home, somehow she managed to get stuck in the or get twinned up in the wool. That is put away now in the bottom drawer of the little desk in the living room. When your mother put in, she turned around to me and said, well, Jojo, I'm sorry. No more good place for you till Kate comes home. And I thought I could certainly cry. Now what the cat is saying? What is the name of the cat? Jojo. Now what the Jojo is saying? That mother, what she had done? She had taken the woolen ball and she kept inside the drawer. देखो कैट ने ड्रॉवर की जगह भी मेंशन की. कहाँ पर है ड्रॉवर? लिविंग रूम में, छोटे से डेस्क का लास्ट वाला ड्रॉवर. वहां पे मम्मा ने क्या किया है? वुलन बॉल रख दिया है. एंड व्हाट शी सेड? डैड, you will not have any games now. You will not get anything to play. Till when? Till Kate comes home. जब तक केट वापस घर पे नहीं आता. जोजो को कुछ खेलने के लिए क्या? नहीं, कुछ नहीं है. But I think it is very foolish to cry over what cannot be helped. So I pretended to have got something into my left eye and rubbed it with my paw. So what the Jojo is saying? कि अब इतनी छोटी चीज के लिए रोना अच्छा होता है क्या? नो. सो व्हाट शी हैड डन? उसने ऐसे बताया कि जैसे उसके आईज में कुछ गया हो. I hardly cry over anything unless it is slipped milk. I must confess, I have often cried when that happens, as it always happens to cat's milk. They put it into old broken things that tip over at the least knock. So what she say? Yes, मुझे भी बहुत रोने का मन करता है, रोना आता है. when? जब उसका मिल्क उसके saucer, you can say, or anything, whatever is there, when the mother gives in the broken plate, her milk just drip away. है कि नहीं? तब कैसा फील होता है जोजो को? She felt very crying. There were many times Matthew has knocked over my blue saucer in the shade, and when you thought I had a nice breakfast of milk, actually I had nothing in the world but flies. So what she says? That Matthew, he always knocked over my blue saucer. उसने तो बहुत बार मेरी black saucer को लगा दिया है. And मेरा सारा का सारा milk, सारा breakfast, it just fell down. And you, Kate, you think I had my breakfast, है कि नहीं? What Jojo is saying कि उस मैथ्यू ने मेरा सारा का सारा मिल्क गिरा दिया. He had hit my blue saucer. And Kate is thinking कि yes, अभी तो जोजो का पूरा ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया है. I am so glad I have a chance to tell you about this, because I know when you come home you will get a better dish for me. Now what the Jojo is saying? Ki yes, when you will come back you will get something best for me to have in the dish. And while we are on the topic, I would prefer my milk with some mice crispies. Now what she is saying? Ki yes, अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं तो मुझे मिल्क चाहिए, वो भी किसके साथ? माइस क्रिस्पीज के साथ. इट मीन्स चूहे के साथ. There are 3 beautiful dandelions out on the terrace, but I don't think they will be here until you come home. Now what she is saying, Jojo? That we have some dandelions on the terrace. Dandelions are the small wild plant with a bright yellow flower. कैसा होता है dandelion? एक yellow bright flower होता है. So what Jojo is saying? That we have some dandelions on the terrace, but तुम आने तक रहेंगे क्या? No, it won't be there. A man has been doing something to the garden. I watched him closely, but I wonder what he was about. Now what Jojo is saying? कि यहाँ पर घर पे a man is there who is doing something in the garden, और मैं उसे observe करती रहती हूँ. I keep a watch on him. I heard your friend Madeline say yesterday that she was going to write to you today. Now what she is saying? Jojo क्या कह रही है? That I heard Madeline, she is going to write something to you. So I shall turn up the hill now and carry my letter to her. I think she will be astonished when she sees me, for I am very sure that no other cat in town knows how to write. Now what she is saying, Jojo? Yes, तुम्हारी friend क्या हो जाएंगी? Astonished. It means she would be shocked, she would be surprised when she will see Jojo is writing a letter. Do come home as soon as possible. Now what Jojo is saying कि घर पे जल्दी आ जाओ. Come back as soon as possible. Your affectionist Jojo. And what she is writing at the end? Yes, आई हु इज राइटिंग द लेटर एट द एंड? जोजो. उसने अपना नेम लिखा. योर अफेक्शनेट जोजो. So students, read this story and watch video carefully. Okay? Bye bye. I hope you have enjoyed this story.